We are going to start the Maths Grade 6 from NCERT book, Chapter 1, and are going to cover topic 1.3, large number in practice. Large numbers in practice. This means that the numbers in large are used in our practical life or day-to-day life. And what we do to use these numbers. The examples given to us are the measurement of various things in our routine life, such as measuring of the length of pencil or length and breadth of a book or notebooks. For measuring these things, we use centimeter. For measuring, we use centimeter. For small lengths, like length of pencil or length and width of a book. But we use a smaller unit when we want to measure the width or thickness of pencil, and this unit is called millimeter. For measuring, we use thickness of pencil, we use millimeter. The relation between these two units is given by 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. But when we measure the length of a big area, or say a field or a classroom, the centimeter becomes very small for measuring these. So to measure classrooms or the length and width of any big building or some plot area, we use the bigger unit, and that is called meter for measuring length of plot or building. We use meter. And the relation between the meter and centimeter is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Which is also equal to 1000 millimeter. But this unit of measuring length is again becomes small when we have to measure the distance between two cities or between two distant places. So for that we use kilometer. So for measuring distance we use kilometer. 1 kilometer the relation between kilometer and meter is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, which is equal to 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeter, because each meter is having 100 centimeter, which is equal to centimeter, 1 lakh centimeter, which is equal to 10, which is equal to 1 lakh centimeter multiplied by 10 millimeter, which becomes 10 lakh millimeter. Length we use meter, centimeter, millimeter or kilometer, but for measuring the mass or weight of items, we use kilogram, such as if we go to buy rice or wheat or pulses, we use the unit which is called kilogram. So for measuring mass, we use kilogram. But when the quantity is small, like if we go to buy spices or some vegetables like chilies or ginger or some other things, we use a smaller unit which is called gram for measuring small mass. We use gram. So one kg one kilogram or 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. grams. While sometimes gram also becomes a bigger unit, so we use smaller unit. For say if we go to buy some medicine from the medical shop, we use the the weight or mass mentioned in the strips of tablets, medicine tablets, or it is in milligrams, mg, milligram. So we use the smaller unit, milligram. So 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. It is denoted by mg, milligram. For measuring liquids, for measuring volume of liquids, we use liter. liter. If we have to measure the capacity of our bucket for holding water, it is usually about 20 to 25 liters, and the capacity is measured in liter. It is denoted by letter L. But for measuring some small quantities, like the hair oil in a bottle, or the quantities given in the bottles of soft drinks, are measured in milliliter. Small volume, we use milliliter. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. One common thing in measuring all these things, all quantities, whether it is length or mass or volume, the common words used are kilo, or milli. These have the specific meaning. The kilo is 1000 times greater and milli is 1000 times smaller of a unit. Like 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. And 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. Similarly, centi shows 100 times smaller. Centi is 100 times smaller. That is 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. There is for additional knowledge, I am giving you some equivalent of all metric systems that is 10 millimeter equal to 10 millimeter, usually denoted by mm, equal to 1 centimeter. It is usually denoted by cm. Centimeter equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter equal to 1 meter. Ten meter equal to 1 decameter. Ten decameter equal to 1 hectometer. Ten hectometer equal to 1 kilometer. These are the different units in metric system, but usually we use millimeter, centimeter, and kilometer. For length, and for mass or weight we use milligram, gram and kilogram. Milligram, centimeter and meter. And for weight we use milligram, gram and kilogram. For volume or capacity we use milliliter, and liter. In our daily routine. In next video, we are going to solve the questions related to the topic we have covered in this video.